Hello, can I get your name?
Yes, my name is Tom Wilson.
Great. And can I see your ID?
Sure, here it is.
Thanks. And can you sign here?
Certainly.
Where do you live?
I live downtown.
So do I. Where?
By the station.
Me too. I live on B Street.
Get out of here. I do as well.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Cool. I'm a teacher too.
Really? What do you teach?
I teach math.
No way. I also teach math.
Do you have a pet?
I do. I have a dog and I also have a cat.
Oh, really? I have a cat as well.
Really? What color?
Oh, my cat is black.
My cat is black too.
What shows do you like?
I like Game of Thrones.
Oh, I love that show too.
Who's your favorite character?
I really like Jon Snow.
I like him as well.
Do you watch much TV?
Not anymore. I used to watch a lot of TV, but not now. And you?
Yeah, I watch a lot of TV.
What do you watch?
I watch a lot of dramas and some news shows.
I don't watch the news much. But maybe I should.
Do you exercise much?
Not that much, but some.
What do you do?
I go running a lot. What about you?
I don't exercise at all.
That's too bad. It can be fun.
Do you eat much fast food?
Yeah, I eat it way too much.
Oh, that's not good. You should not eat it too much.
I know, but I do it to save time. Plus, I don't cook much.
Me too. But I try to eat a lot of fruits and vegetables.
Good idea.
Lately, I feel sleepy and tired. I have low energy. Do you have any tips?
Yes, eat lots of vegetables. Also, don't eat carbs like bread, rice, and pasta.
Okay. What about meat?
Some meat is fine, but don't eat fast food like fried chicken.
What about drinks?
Drink tea or water. Don't drink beverages with sugar.
What about exercise?
Exercise every day. But don't exercise too much.
I can do that. Any other advice?
Yes, get lots of sleep. Sleep 8 hours a day.
Oh, that's easy. I love sleep. Where is the library?
It's not far from here. It's in the park.
How do you get there?
It's easy. Go down this road. At the second light, turn left.
Okay, so I walk down this road 2 blocks and then turn left.
Yes, that's right. The library is in the park.
Thanks for your help.
Don't mention it.
Mrs. Jones, I missed class. What is the homework?
Tonight, please write a 100-word essay about your hobby.
Can I write about football?
Yes, of course. But please write in pen, not pencil.
Can I use a computer and print it?
No, do not use a computer. Write it by hand.
Can I write it in my notebook?
No, use a piece of paper.
Is that all?
No, also, please read chapter 10 in your book.
Is that it?
Yes, that's it. Can you help me cook dinner?
Sure. How can I help?
Please make a fruit salad. Use the fruit on the table.
Okay. The bananas, strawberries, and kiwis?
Yes, that's right. Please cut them up and put them in a bowl. Wash them and then add yogurt on top. We will have it for dessert.
Okay, I can do that. What else?
Then set the table. Make places for 5 people. My friend will join us.
Oh, great. Anything else?
Yes, after that, please text the kids. Tell them to be home by 6.
Got it. I'm on it.
Hello. Can I take your order?
Yes. Can I get the chicken sandwich?
Certainly. And can I get you something to drink?
Yes. Can I get a diet soda, please?
Sure. Anything else? Can I interest you in something on the side?
Yes. Can I get some fries with that?
Of course. Anything else?
No, that will do.